Big wheels rolling, moving on. Big wheels rolling, gotta keep 'em going. Big wheels rolling, moving on. The white line is a lifeline to a nation, and men like Will and Sonny make it move.
Good morning, everybody. It is June 16th. We're at the rest area here. Now we're going to finish getting the rest of these off. Couldn't quite get them all off yesterday, but we got the time now. And if you see my bill up on the dash, I apologize for that. That's the bill that I got to present to them when I get there. Yes, it's a rainy, drizzly day today. I don't know. It's going to do this all day, but it don't matter because we won't be in this area all day. We're actually, as soon as we get the last load off, we got 2 loads. Then we're headed to Warsaw picking up a load, so we may be out of this rain and this drizzle by the end of the day today. Slow down, my daddy works here. That's what he said. Anyway, y'all, see what kind of day I can show you. Welcome to the Trucker Jukebox, Pooh Bear and the Jake Break Show. Hope y'all have a good day today. Remember, if you opened your eyes this morning to say good morning, it's already a good day. Finally made it through the gate. 31, 32, or 33. And she said, go through the man door. Why is it a man door? Why can't it be a woman door? Well, that's what she said. Go through the man door. 31, 32, or 33. Big fancy newspaper place, ain't it? What's this over here? Well, that ain't it. 25, 26, or 27. So we know that ain't it. Might be this set up here. Be maybe these sets. Yep. that's not it neither. 31, 32, or 33. Ah. I see it now. Way over yonder. Well, we gotta back in there then. No way to turn around, so we gotta back in there. We'll take 32. It's center one. We'll be right back. Okay. We's empty here. We gotta go to the last place. Alright guys, we are empty here. Kinda gotta use the mic a little bit. My voice is a little scratchy this morning. So I'm not sure just how strong it's picking up on the camera. So I'm using the mic. But we're empty here. Now we're headed to the last drop. This is a pretty good sized little paper place here, I'm telling you. We go out the same gate. I don't know if they look inside or not. I only got a couple skids left. We may have to jump out, open up the door for them. I'll have to roll down my window, see if they want to see in the back. Alright, we can keep going. If you guys want to know why the other camera is not up, I have it on the charger. It's better to have one camera than no camera. Anyway, let's be gone. Let's get over to the last place of delivery. And we're headed to Warsaw, Indiana. You just got to love it whenever somebody screws up. Because now we got a meat wagon up here, blocking up the road right in the center. So do we go right or do we go left to go around this guy? I don't think he's moving. He might be moving. He's got his lights on if he's trying to move. He ain't getting through this traffic, is he? It's got to be pretty tough to... What a deal. What a deal. Okay, we gotta actually move over to the other lane. This ain't gonna be, yeah, there is a fender bender up here. He ain't moving. Okay. This makes it fun. You know what? I think what I'm gonna do, oh shoot, we gotta move over. We're gonna do it right now. I'm coming over, people. Big semi moving over. Turn signals are on. We gotta move all the way over. All the way over. All the way over. Now if I can just persuade these cars, these four-wheelers, to let me over. I'm gonna get flipped off before this is all done and said, because I'm gonna be cutting some traffic here. We're gonna move over one more. One more. We're taking both lanes here, because I gotta move back to the right. I'm taking both lanes. There we go. All right. Oh boy. I tell you, one little screw up like that sure has it backed up. I know you guys couldn't see the front of that car, but it was smashed pretty good. I don't even see the other vehicle that it hit. I wonder if it didn't hit the wall. But then again, how did it end up in the middle? Gee. What a deal, what a deal, what a deal. Well, we're gonna take this 90 here, because we gotta go 90 west. What a deal. Cleveland, Ohio. Alrighty, we are 1.7 of a mile from where we gotta be. The Herald News. There it is on the left-hand side. Oh yeah, the News, Herald. I just gotta find truck entrance. Where is truck entrance? Now we're gonna turn right here. I don't know if it's truck entrance, but we're turning here. It's the only way I can see you can get down in there. Oh yeah, we're okay. Yeah, I guess we'll get in behind this driver and wait until a few of them pull up, then we'll go in and check in. Look at that. See that? Look at that plastic hanging out from that driver's, he's from Quebec. He's super trucker. That's his cape. Anyway, guys, we'll be back. Well, we are actually empty. Completely, totally, 100% empty. Now we're going to Warsaw, Indiana, but I am going to make a small little pit stop in Elkhart. Meet up with somebody. And then after that, I'll probably grab me a sandwich or something, but... Hey, we are just about in Indiana. We don't have far to go. We got the hammer down, we got the wheels are rolling.
Big wheels rolling, moving on.
Doing 70 miles an hour on this fine day. You guys remember when Ohio used to be nicknamed Slow Ohio? Remember that? 55 mile an hour. Man, oh man. I still can't get used to the fact I can actually pass a trooper doing 70. It just doesn't seem right. And you remember today you couldn't wait till you got into Pennsylvania or Indiana because you can go a little faster. now you go into Indiana or Pennsylvania, you got to slow down. The end of the road. Ohio Turnpike, that is. Alright everybody, we are in Elkhart, Indiana. We're going to meet a friend over here at this Kmart. We're going to take about 10, let the dogs out, let them run around. And then, well, I guess we're going to take 19 going up through Elkhart, Wakarusa, Napanee, and go up through the woods that way and hit Warsaw. So, but anyway, I guess when my friend Pat gets into the parking lot here, I'll let y'all, or let him say hi. Hey guys, I bumped into a friend. Now, you know I'm 5'6", right? Look at here. He's a football player wouldn't be tall, right?
Some of them basketball players, but not football players.
Yeah. How tall you say you are?
7'1".
He's 7'1". Check this out. Hey, Ruthie, you didn't know Pat was 7'1", did you?
I turned 7'1" after Larry drugged me behind his truck.
Anyway, hey, I'm in Elkhart, and I am with my good friend Pat. We're doing some horse trading here, and I got to tell. I got the worst end of the deal, man.
Depends on how you look at it.
That's true. At least I can swap horse flies, right?
Yeah, well, yeah, you always got a piece of ass and slip the tail.
I didn't say that, he said that. Come on down there. Now, this is my friend Pat. Hey, how long you lived in Elkhart, man?
Too long. 43 years.
43 years. And we actually met back in the day when I drove cab. Ruthie was also your dispatcher as well, right? In the cab?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of the best bosses we had.
Yeah. And there was a time when we ran around together and everything, and of course I got kind of hooked up with this truck, and you got hooked up with your job, and we kind of got separated there. But
yeah.
But we still had the telephone, still got the conversation. But hey, before we go, you have anything you want to say to anybody?
Drink Pepsi.
Drink Pepsi.
Build my paychecks.
Build Pepsi and build his paycheck. Well, you work for Pepsi now?
No, I got stock.
Oh, he's got stock in Pepsi.
So
I got stock in Pepsi too. I got about 4 of them in the truck.
I don't drink nothing but Pepsi.
Hey, you can drink and drive if you're drinking Pepsi though, right?
Yeah. Pepsi goes good with Jack.
Well, it was very nice meeting you.
Nice seeing you again, man.
All right. We'll be right back. Well, we are in Elkhart, and we're on our way to Warsaw right now. Yes, Elkhart. This is 19, also called Napanee Street. This bypass used to be Lexington. It still is, kind of. But you get down here to the next light, that's Lexington Street. If you make a left on Lexington Street, that will actually put you downtown Elkhart. If you go to the next light after that, well, actually, on to the third light after that, that's also 33, or 933 actually. But 33, and that kind of puts you at the same place downtown. Well, it curves around, comes back to Lexington. I know this town. I know this town like the back of my hand. Although, could I drive a cab in it today? Probably, and it probably wouldn't take much for me to get my... But a lot of things, a lot of different things has actually been built, and taken down. But the streets are still the same. I would probably have, if I had to drive a cab again in this town, I'd probably, about a week with a GPS would probably help me remember. Well, we are in Warsaw. You guys seen this place 100 million times with me. I hope they don't have a million trucks here. I really prefer coming here late at night, because usually I'm right in and out. Or let's put it this way, I get the dock right away. I got bicycles crossing the lane. Got a heck of a bicycle trail here. Go sit down, guys. You gotta wait. Go, driver. There's nobody in that guard shack. Just keep going. Keep going. I don't know why they have that there. But they don't use it no more. Or at least put a thing saying, well, they kind of do. I guess it's on that window. At one time they used to have security. Anyway, we're gonna get into the dock. We'll be right back. Well, guys, we are done for today. Not really. We're going to Kankakee, but I'm gonna stop the film. Cut, action, cut. Haha. Yeah, we're in Warsaw, and I think today's film is going to be long enough. So I think we're just going to call it done, and we all done, all finished. All Hey, Pooh. You say hi? You had a good day today? Yeah. We got to see our good friend, Pat Dollinger. Real nice guy. He's a native from Elkhart, Indiana, and land unknown other places. We had a good time today. Yeah. Yeah, we were in Ohio. It started out a rainy day. Drizzly day. Drizzly rainy day. Yeah, it ended up being a sunny day, huh? Ended up being a sunny day. So I think we're going to call her done. Yeah. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the Trucker Jukebox, Pooh Bear, and the Jake Break Show, what should they do? Subscribe to our channel. And? Yeah. Okay. One step at a time. And hit like. And after you hit like, what should they do with the video? That's right. You should share it. Why should they share it? Because somebody else might like it. Now you say bye to everybody? Say goodbye. Just like the Beverly Hillbillies. Bye. Say bye. Okay, your turn. Come on, get your paw up there. Get your paw. Say bye. Bye. Hey, you gonna get your paw? Bye. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same bat channel. And we're going to Blogger Fair. It ain't Vlogger Fair. I got corrected on that. And thank you for the correction. It's Blogger Fair. Can't wait. See ya. Bye. Later. Pooh.